Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. I'm sorry to interrupt our video, but we wanted to talk to you about a few things that just came up.
As she mentioned, we had plans for this week's video. It's ready to go. However, we had some really wonderful things happen to us, and we just figured this is just something we wanted to get out there on a video. It's not our typical video, so we won't be building anything. All right, we got to take you back a little bit. Several months back, we did a giveaway on a logo where we customized the logo and gave it to one of our subscribers, viewers. And actually, before that, when we first started thinking about that project, we contacted one of our regulars who's always there commenting on our videos, and he had mentioned something about a logo, and so we thought, you know what, we're going to reach out to him and ask if he would be willing to be a guinea pig for us. The plan was we were thinking about doing these logos online through maybe Etsy, Facebook, Marketplace, or something along those lines, but we didn't know how to work this out. So what we did was we asked him if he would be a guinea pig and allow us to go through a whole process for him to pretend he orders, us to take in the order, make the product, box it, ship it, and see what it's like, so we get a real good idea of what it's going to cost, how much time it's going to take for us to do this, and the whole process of doing this online business. He agreed to this, and we were super happy, and so we went through this. He ordered this. We went back and forth on emails as if he was a customer that wanted something, and we ultimately sent it to him. We were so grateful for him to participate in this, and he seemed to like the logo that we built for him, the plaque, and I think we have a picture here of what we sent him. Now, what happened though is, after we did this, he was very grateful. He was so humble, and we were so excited that he liked what we had done for him. And we figured that was that. He continued to support our channel, and then all of a sudden, we received something in the mail. So we need to show you this.
We received a gift from Thomas of Pinta Crafts, a thank you card, and a really, really beautiful pen.
However, that's not all. In addition to the beautiful pen that Jennifer got, I received this. Now, this looks like a miniature rifle case, is what I thought. And so I was puzzled by this, and I opened this up, and let's see, contained within is this incredible looking pen. This pen is marked with U.S. Air Force. He knows that I was in the Air Force, and I still serve as a civilian for the Air Force. What is so cool about this is you got a neat looking rifle here. This has like a bolt action, and this is what makes the pen come out. And on top of that, if you look carefully, this is actually a bullet. Cartridge? I don't know what they call them. But this whole thing is just stunning. It's like he didn't have to do this. So Thomas, thank you so very much. This is such a thoughtful, incredible gift, and we both love what you've done. We really appreciate it very, very much. On a separate note, some of you may know, but a couple months ago, I was called into the office and I was told that my job was abolished. So we were kind of shocked by this whole thing, and we were kind of technically out of a job, but we stayed employed until they found something new for us. And we weren't sure how we were going to be able to continue doing YouTube, but we stuck with it. It was the Christmas time, and we just wanted to jump in it, and we said, hey, let's give to the community. We had some giveaways, and things worked out really well for us. So we started off after the giveaway that we did for the logo. We started making some ornaments, and we hung them outside, and we put up a big sign for people who were passing by to go ahead and take the ornaments for free, and it turned out to be a huge hit. We thought maybe 60 or so was going to be enough, and no, it wasn't enough. I think we are now up to really close to around 200, and it's still not quite Christmas yet. We still got another 10 days from the day of this filming, and so it's getting tough keeping up with this. We do have some kids that seem to like it, and they come by every day after school and take a bunch, but hey, it's part of the fun of the Christmas spirit, so we're having a good time with it. Now, some things that happened that we weren't expecting.
Our neighbors next door thanked us so much for the ornaments and brought us amazing food.
Another neighbor about 3 doors down came by and brought us some cookies that I've never had before. I think it was cream cheese or something.
It was really
and,
good.
and some sort of a real sour citrus type thing that went together incredibly. I've never had a cookie like this. She said it was a homemade Italian meal or Italian cookie that they make all the time.
And then, caught on camera, our other neighbors came down the street and dropped off some cookies for us. They gave us a beautiful thank you card, and the cookies were in this tin, but I wonder who ate them all.
It was wonderful. I don't recognize them, so I'm not sure where they actually reside, but we are so grateful
Yes,
and
thank you.
humbled, and thank you so very much. And one of the best things recently, I started my new job. I am back in the IT world, which I love being at.
Yay!
So everything is just coming together so well. We also wanted to mention, since we're doing this type of video, we wanted to mention that within a month we expect to hit 8,000 subscribers. It's like 8,000. Are you kidding me? We were
Amazing.
never expecting this. And around the same time, we are going to be hitting 1 million views.
1 million views. No, just
that's
kidding.
like 1 million views of our videos is just, I can't fathom that. So we know that a lot of people do these types of videos and say thank you, but we now know what it feels like. It means so much to us to thank you for all the support and for watching our videos or leaving comments and whatnot. It really makes what we're doing so much fun, and so we thank you very much. Next week we will actually give you the project that we were going to. So until we meet again.
Bye-bye.